Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is congruence of triangle. Now we were proceeding exercise 7.2 and we are supposed to discuss the last question in which two figures are given. First one is the name of the figure is ABC. ABC is a triangle which is right angled at B. At the same time, one more figure is there. That is DEF, which is right angled at E. At the same time, it is also given that angle A is equal to angle F. And one more thing is given equal BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. So that is question number 10, and we are supposed to explain why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FEB. So we are supposed to compare in triangle ABC and triangle FEB. So we are supposed to see that here angle A we can write BAC, angle BAC is equals to angle DFE. Why? Because that is given. As I told you previously, whatever statement we are supposed to write, we are supposed to apply the proper reason for that in front of that statement. That is the rule. So afterwards, angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is 90, FEB, that is given 90 degree. Both angles are of 90 degree as it is given in the figure. Now after that, it is also given that BC is equal to DE, that is given. Now we got the three things, means two angles are there, one side is there, so which are equal and which are corresponding parts also and are equal. So we can say that a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FEB. Now the most important thing is remaining, that which criteria we are using here. So if RHS is there, that doesn't mean if right angle triangles are there, it doesn't mean that we are supposed to use that RHS only. Here for RHS, two sides should be equal, but here one side is equal only and the remaining two angles are equal. So the criteria will be angle, side, angle, side, angle, side. That will be angle, side. This is the criteria which we are supposed to use in this question. Right angle triangle doesn't mean that we are supposed to use only RHS. RHS, again I am telling you, RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side, means hypotenuse and side, two sides, two corresponding sides of these two right angle triangles should be equal. Here two sides are not equal, two angles are equal, given equal, and one of the side. So that's why we are using the criteria angle, side. So like this our chapter is over. At the same time, we are supposed to discuss again the criteria at the last, as we have completed all the questions of exercise 7.1 as well as 7.2. Again, the congruent figures are the figures which are same in all the aspects. In this chapter we are discussing the congruent triangles. Congruent triangles, the triangles have 3 sides and 3 angles, so corresponding angles should be equal and corresponding sides should be same. At the same time, if we overlap, if you put one triangle on another one, then it should completely overlap that triangle, and it can overlap only in the case when the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. Afterwards, we have discussed the criteria. We have discussed 5 criteria. First criteria is side, side, side. If 2 triangles are there and their corresponding sides are given equal, 3 sides are equal to their 3 corresponding sides, then we are supposed to say that the triangles are congruent by side, side, side criteria. The second one is side, angle, side. If 2 sides, 2 corresponding sides of 2 triangles are equal and the including angle is equal, side, angle, side means 2 sides and the angle subtended by these 2 sides is also equal, then we can say that triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. Afterwards, the third one is that angle, side, angle. If 2 corresponding angles of 2 triangles are equal and the including side is equal, including side, angle, side means 2 angles and the common side or common arm of these 2 angles are equal, then we can say that the criteria which we are supposed to use here to prove the triangles congruent will be angle, side, angle. Now after this, the fourth one is angle, angle, side, which we have used in this question. If 2 angles are equal and then any of the sides except the including one, including side is not given equal, any other side, either this or this is equal, then we can say angle, angle, side. If the including side is equal, then we will say angle, side, angle. Here the excluding side is there, so that will be angle, angle, side. At last again the criteria is there, RHS, which is right angle, hypotenuse and side. If 2 right angle triangles are there, right angle means they are having one angle 90 degree, and if their hypotenuse is equal, hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle. So if the hypotenuse is equal and any of the side, remaining 2 sides are also equal, then we can say the triangles are congruent by RHS. So these are the criteria you are supposed to keep in your mind whenever you are proceeding the questions of this chapter. At the same time, now you are supposed to try one more time all the questions of 7.1 and 7.2, and if you are facing any problem, then you can call us or you can even message us. We will try to rectify your doubts so that you can easily proceed the questions given in the chapter. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. Thank you very much.